Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in a game developer's arsenal, programming patterns. Understanding these patterns can take your games from a messy tangle of code to something elegant, reusable, and efficient. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a programming pattern? Well, you could think of it like a blueprint for solving common problems in coding. Instead of reinventing the wheel every time, we use patterns to structure our code efficiently. This is especially crucial in game development where performance, maintainability, and scalability are key. Alright, let's talk about a few patterns that you could start using in Godot right now. First is the singleton pattern called autoload in Godot. Have you ever needed to store global game data like player stats or settings? Well, instead of passing variables between all these different scripts, we could use the singleton pattern, or as Godot calls it, an autoload script. This keeps data accessible across all scenes without the hassle. Next pattern is the state machine pattern, and if you've ever struggled with a character script overloaded with if statements for jumping and running and attacking, then a state machine is your best friend, because it keeps each state, like idle, running, or attacking, as a separate modular piece. Finally, we have the observer pattern. We call these signals in Godot. The signal system is basically the observer pattern in action. Instead of constantly checking for changes, singles let objects react to events dynamically. These examples are just scratching the surface. If you want to truly get to grips with programming patterns for game development, and specifically for Godot, then I highly recommend the new book by Enrique Campos titled Game Development Patterns with Godot 4. The book teaches object-oriented design, the solid programming principles, and 9 programming patterns. These are the singleton pattern, observer, factory, state, command, strategy, decorator, service, and event queue pattern. In a very original way, the book presents examples based on dialogues between the game designer and the developer. In these communications, the designer wants particular mechanics in the game, and the programmer has to implement them while keeping the code scalable and easy to maintain. In each of these examples, a specific design pattern is explained as the best solution. For more design patterns in Godot, Zenva also has a new course out. I really recommend the book. I have it myself. And if you want to take your game programming to the next level, go and check it out. See you next time.